So here at Lifeboost, we found some things that you can put in your coffee to improve your health benefits even further. So if you're drinking coffee every day, it's great to make it at home because then you can control exactly what goes into your coffee. So today we're making whipped mint chocolate iced coffee. Now peppermint is a great additive to your coffee because it's great with digestive issues, it can help with nausea, headaches, and it's so invigorating. So let's get into it. So we're gonna start with our ice. I like to put about 3 scoops in there. Half cup of Lifeboost coffee, 1/4 cup of any milk of your choice, whether it's dairy, non-dairy, nut milk, etc. Then we're gonna do a full tablespoon of sugar-free chocolate syrup, 1/8 a teaspoon of peppermint extract. Now let's take it to the blender. Pour it in the glass. I like to add a little whipped cream. Oh, it's so good.